Imagine this, you are in the middle of a conversation or you are about to drift off to sleep when suddenly it feels like your body has been teleported to the middle of a desert. A wave of intense heat washes all over your body with beads of sweat on your forehead, and then as abruptly as it began, suddenly it's over. Welcome to the world of hot flashes, menopause's most notorious sidekick. It is an internal heat wave that can leave you with flushed cheeks, a rapid beating heart, and a sudden power surge that can disrupt your day and nights without warning. This is a reality for millions of women, yet it feels like a taboo topic. Hi, this is Nidhi Bansal here from Medhya Herbals. We help women to gain health with all natural and holistic principles of Ayurveda. And you guessed it right, the topic of today's discussion is hot flashes in menopause and what can you do from an Ayurvedic perspective. Let's get started. Hot flashes are characterized by a sudden feeling of intense heat or warmth which spreads on your upper body, specifically around your face, and it can leave you with red flushed appearance, heavy sweating as well as palpitations. Hot flashes, while are considered to be a classical sign of menopause, usually begin in the early phase of menopause, which is perimenopause, around 8 to 10 years before menopause actually happens. And for some women, hot flashes may continue well in their postmenopausal years. A hot flash can occur at any time, whether you are eating food in the middle of a conversation, you are sleeping, or you are going through an emotional turmoil. And when it happens, it really muddles up and interferes with the task that needs your immediate attention. Hot flashes can last anywhere from several seconds to few minutes, and for some it can go up to 10 minutes as well, while some women experiencing hot flashes few times in a week, and for others many times during a day and night is a reality. The frequency and intensity of hot flashes really depends on your age, your genetics as well as your hormonal balance. It is observed that the frequency of hot flashes usually starts to increase as women approach the later years of perimenopause or when they are about to experience menopause. As hot flashes occur and disrupt your life at any time of the day, lot of women who are going through hot flashes in menopause also experience lowered energy levels, disrupted sleep, irritability, as well as not being able to feel themselves. And in some cases, hot flashes may also be accompanied by chills after heavy sweating, and some may also experience severe anxiety as a result of the hot flashes and hormonal imbalances which they are going through. Since hot flashes often come out of nowhere, disrupt what you are doing and leave just like that, they often feel mysterious. You are left confused and pondering what exactly happened or is happening to your body. However, it is not at all that complicated when you look at it from an Ayurvedic perspective. In Ayurveda, hot flashes are considered to result from imbalances in Vata and Pitta dosha. Pitta controls the heat regulation inside the body, and it is a dynamic energy of transformation and heat generation, and it also controls all the metabolic functions inside the body. On the other hand, Vata dosha is a dynamic energy of circulation and eliminatory functions of your body. And you know what? Menopause is considered to be a phase of life in which a woman is more prone to develop Vata and Pitta imbalances. That's why so many women are experiencing hot flashes and going through this health symptom and still wondering what exactly is happening. And when you start applying the principles of Vata and Pitta balance, then you start experiencing drastic changes in your health as well as improvement in the frequency and the intensity of hot flashes. And this is what we have experienced at Medhya Herbals. A large number of our patients come to us with problems related to hot flashes and other menopausal symptoms symptoms. When they start working on their specific body type and the health symptoms they are experiencing, they not only start feeling better, but they also see drastic improvement in their overall health and energy levels. And from modern science perspective, hot flashes are caused by declining estrogen levels inside your body, which can affect the functioning of hypothalamus, which controls your body temperature as well as circulation of blood flow inside the body. And when these estrogen levels are declining, or there is a sudden change in your hormones, then your hypothalamus can mistakenly assume that your body is overheating. As a result of it, it releases chemicals which start to expand your blood vessels, thus releasing intense amount of heat, as well as leading to other symptoms such as flushing, sweating, or symptoms of chills. While declining levels of estrogen are considered to be a culprit behind hot flashes, not all women with low estrogen levels experience these symptoms, suggesting that there are other factors that play a role in here, and this is what aligns with Ayurvedic philosophy of Vata-Pitta imbalances. A large number of these factors are related to lifestyle factors such as going through extreme stress, emotional turbulence, as well as habits related to consuming excessive caffeinated beverages, excessive sweets, excessive alcohol, or excessively spicy foods, which can really disturb both Vata and Pitta dosha as well as your blood sugar levels, thus leading to these intense waves of heat and hot flashes. Other factors are related to genetics, obesity, that is women who are carrying excessive weight or are experiencing excessive amount of belly fat also go through higher intensity and frequency of hot flashes. In addition, if one is suffering from health conditions related to hypothyroidism, diabetes, or presence of certain amount of cancers, it can also intensify the symptoms of hot flashes. Certain other factors such as wearing tight clothing which prohibits flow of air and thus make it difficult for heat to be dissipated from your body can also lead to overheating of your body. Certain fabrics such as wearing excessive amount of synthetic fabrics or wearing excessive amount of layers can also lead to hot flashes or even night sweats while you are sleeping. A hot flash can also be triggered by an adrenal rush which results from emotional turbulence related to anxiety, fear, or excessive amount of anger. So these were the causes and triggers of hot flashes in menopause. I hope you got a better understanding and are now ready to tackle the symptom with Ayurveda. So let's look into Ayurvedic natural ways to beat hot flashes, and out of these, the first thing that can really help you out are the Ayurvedic herbals. Ayurvedic medicines are plant-based supplements that can really help you to balance your hormones, provide you with sufficient amount of nutrients, as well as relax your body and mind to combat hot flashes in a long-term basis. These herbs act at the root cause, which further helps to reinstate the hormone balance as well as improving the function of the hypothalamus, thus improving the circulation inside the body, which can help you to combat hot flashes effectively. Here are some of the Ayurvedic herbs that can really help you out. Do note that these are potent medicines as well, and they should be taken under the direction of an experienced Ayurvedic practitioner who can help you out with specific herbals for your body type and thus help you on proper usage of these medicines. The second way will be to adopt a balanced and healing diet that can help you to balance your hormones. And some of these foods are phytoestrogens, foods rich in vitamin E, vitamin C, as well as naturally sweet tasting foods such as whole grains, dairy, beans, lentils, healthy fats, sweet tasting fruits, and sweet tasting vegetables such as yams, pumpkins, carrots, and squashes. At the same time, you should avoid stimulating and drying foods which can trigger hot flashes, and some of these are hot and spicy food, chili, peppers, caffeinated beverages, alcohol, and smoking. The third way will be to improve your lifestyle, and in these there are a number of practices which can really help you out to balance your hormones as well as get rid of the troublesome symptoms of hot flashes. So let's take a look into this, and the first thing will be to go for regular physical activity which is not very intense, because intense physical activity or exercises are going to put Vata and Pitta dosh out of balance. It is really important for you to adopt soft, relaxing and strength building exercise schedule that will help you to improve your hormone balance and keep you calm and relaxed. The second way will be to get sufficient sleep. I know that the sleep is disrupted at this point of life. That's where assistance from experienced doctors can really play an important role in here. Ayurvedic doctors at Media Herbals will chart out a personalized plan for you to combat hot flashes as well as improve your sleep in the night, which is an important tool to put your hormones back to balance. Get rid of all the anxiety, nervousness that comes along with hot flashes and which actually aggravates the hot flashes. The third thing is to reduce and combat stress. You may be going through a lot of changes, and most of us are. However, when we start acknowledging the effect of these changes on our body, we can start taking these changes with ease. Having a relaxed mind is key to have your hormones as well as your Vata and Pitta dosha in balance. So start acting on the stress rather than getting swung away by this excessive stress that you may be going through. You should start taking control on it with Ayurvedic lifestyle practices such as carrying out regular meditation, going for regular walks, yoga which can calm and relax your body, spending time with friends and family which help you to keep your motivation and your energy levels up, as well as engaging in those activities which relax you and help you to stay happy. The fourth and the most important step is to keep your motivation and your energy levels up. I know you are going through a lot of health symptoms and hot flashes is one of these troublesome symptoms. However, you can get control on all of these symptoms by having a positive mindset as well as taking a strategic approach which can help you to combat them as well as put your health back on track. So start today. That's the most important thing you need to do. And if you need any help, do feel free to reach out to us. Ayurvedic doctors at Media Herbals are highly experienced in handling menopausal symptoms, women health issues. I'm sharing a link in description over here where you can schedule consultation with our doctors. Now, if you have any comments and feedback, do reach out to me. I'll get back to you. Do subscribe to Media Herbals channel so that you stay updated with the latest Ayurvedic health tips that I post over here. I will see you soon in the next video. Until then, bye.